Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another video and this is a crunchy slime tutorial and it has no fallout, and I do have a secret ingredient to make this. So the first thing that I'm doing is adding some white glue, and this is the secret ingredient, which is foam soap, and you want to add at least 2 to 3 pumps of it and mix it all together, and that makes it so crunchy and so nice. And make sure that when you activate the slime, it's not too hard. It has to be a bit sticky so the beads can stay in and don't fall out. As you can see here, I'm mixing it all together, and then once it's already done, I'm adding some little foam beads, and then I just add a whole bunch of it and mix it all together. If you guys want more tutorials like this, make sure to give it a really big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. So here's the next slime, and it has the same base, it just has some fake snow. And then right here, I'm just adding some paint. I'm adding blue and purple. But as you can see, nothing is falling out, which is really cool and I really like it. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see. I really need some slime ideas and I really don't know what videos to make for you guys, so just comment down below what you would like to see. And then I'm just going to be adding some glitters, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.